YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Shiba Natural Curls here. I am excited today because this video is a special one. I am doing a switcheroo for you guys. If you have been a subscriber to my channel, you've been following me, that means you know that I am on the water only washing method right now, that I have been on that for the past 6 months. So I've had a trial and error, you guys. With my previous video, I spoke about it with this egg. I was trying to get a protein treatment and it stripped my sebum, left my hair in a crazy dry state, and I didn't know what to do. So I had to figure out what my next move was and what was best for my hair. So I figured I'm going to switch back over to the curly girl method. That's right. The curly girl method, y'all. So I switched back over to the curly girl method, something I have done in the past, but the only difference is I know how to take care of my hair a lot better now. Being though that my hair has been bare naked for the past 6 months with just my sebum and DIY products, now I have a little bit more knowledge, a little bit more sense of how to take care of my natural curls. So I'm going to be very diligent with the products that I choose to do and use with my hair going forward. I'm happy to enjoy this journey with you guys. I hope you jump aboard. Maybe some of you out there are on the curly girl method. You could give me some advice and some help. I have 3C for a hair mixed up in here. It's fine hair. I talk about that a lot. So I look forward to feedback. If I can help you guys with anything, please, if you're interested in seeing anything, please let me know, okay? Hit that subscribe button. We're going to get into this video. It's a whole tutorial about how I wash my hair, condition, deep condition, all that good stuff, and wash and go. Yes, my first wash and go for the year 2020. It's a little frizzy, a little dry, but that's okay because I got to get up on my A game with my products again. I have been out of it for the past 6 months with that, so I'm excited about this journey. So let's get into this video, okay? All right. Okay, y'all, so here we are doing the cleansing, clarifying step. I used the bentonite clay, nothing special. I used some distilled water and some apple cider vinegar to whip that up. I'm just going in sections, as you can see, and work that bentonite clay all through my hair. As I do it, I like to detangle just to make the process easier for rinse out and on to the next step after that. It almost looks like you are putting a perm in your hair. Remember those perm days, y'all? That's what it looks like, and it almost felt like when I was doing it. But anywho, yes, as you see, I go section by section. I didn't want to go on with a sulfate-free shampoo quite yet, coming from the water-only washing method, but it's coming soon. You know, baby steps, baby steps. So here I am rinsing out this mask. You want to do this with some nice warm water, not too hot, but warm, so you can break that clay up and get it off your scalp and out of your hair strands. I am going in with the Garnier Fructis Pure Clean, you guys. This is a fortifying conditioner. It has aloe extract in it. So you know how I feel about my aloe, y'all. And it feels really good on the hair. It's a good slip for those curls. It has a lovely smell, very soft smell, not too strong, but it smells great. And it feels great on the hair as I'm rinsing it out, you guys. Wow, this is amazing. I had no idea. Moving on to my DIY moisture mask, y'all. Now, I switched it up a little bit. If you've seen in my previous videos, I like to do the bananas. But this time, I decided to use the sweet potatoes. I've been doing the sweet potatoes for a couple of weeks now, and ooh, it's a treat. It's a treat. She hydrates my hair like no other. Combined with that aloe vera gel, y'all, yes, must try. It's a good DIY. Try it. And it's inexpensive. So I'm just whipping this up right now, y'all. All the goodness that's about to flow into these strands. I put it in this bottle because it's easy for me to distribute it through my hair and try not to make too much of a mess, because this is a very watery consistency, as you guys are about to see. So take that in precautions. now it is time to marinate those curls. What I call it is a marinating, okay? Because you're going to put that deep conditioner in, and then after you put it in, you know you got to put the heat to it. So we're going to go in sections like I always do. This is just my thing, y'all. Y'all going to get used to it. Y'all know. All my subscribers and newcomers, yes, get used to this. But I like to go in and detangle. Of course, I'm always detangling. You're going to see I do this rake thing a lot. But this conditioner is really good. As you can see how it's clumping my curls already. The lighting is not that great, so you can't really catch the shine. I don't know if you can, depending on your screen or whatever the case may be, but in person, it's so shiny, you guys. But yes, this feels so good to the hair. So I will still be doing DIY products on the side, not all the time, but there will be DIY still in my hair journey regardless, water washing only or curly girl method. So this is how one side of my hair is looking right now. You guys can see that it has clumped my curls. It's elongated everything as well. Yep, ghetto, got the shopping bag. I didn't have I didn't have my shower cap, so you gotta do what you gotta do, you know? But I'm going to put on my heat cap today. I do not have my favorite, my baby, my capture. She's dirty, I gotta wash her, but I put that on today for 30 minutes, and yeah. So here we are rinsing out that good old moisture mask. Felt good on the scalp, felt good on the strands. And we are going to go in now with the Shea Moistures line, the low porosity protein leave-in detangler. Now this I have been using in my hair earlier in the year. I use it in my kids' hair as well. So I figured why not go back to that, something that I know. This also has a really pleasant smell, you guys, a good slip. It feels very moisturizing to the hair, and that's what I have to say about that. So I'm going in with my Giovanni Gel, y'all. Now let me tell y'all about this gel. I have not seen too many reviews on this gel. I've seen reviews on the other gel, but this one is volumizing, okay? This one, let me see here. It has proteins and botanicals. It helps seal and thickens the hair, and it gives it body while conditioning the hair. Now, I have used this gel several times, y'all. I am trying to figure out how to stop the flaking when it comes to this gel. I've tried different layering methods, and I still tend to get the flake. Now, I have done it one time, and for the life of me, I can't remember what I used, but whatever I used, it was so glossy. I had no type of frizz. I had no flaking at all. It was just so shiny. It was beautiful. So if I can just remember what I used last time, I will take that in consideration and show you guys. But for right now, this is what it is. As you see, I go in sections. I do a rake and smooth effect with any kind of product that I put in my hair as a styler. I always like to rake and smooth. That's just my technique. Yeah, that's how I just get my curls to clump. And I feel like they form better, they lay better, and it's just a better method for me. So now I am done with the whole head. Look at the shrinkage. Yes, yes, y'all see that? Crazy, right? But anywho, also, it's healthy. So I'm gonna let that air dry. I come back, and yes, here we are. Now it is a little frizzy. To me, it feels a little dry. It definitely has its bounce, it's fluffy, but it is not exactly what I was looking for, but we're gonna deal with it anyway. So now I'm going in, and this is the way I like to stretch my hair when I do a wash and go. I do not wear my hair like that at all with a wash and go. I always stretch my hair with a wash and go. Always, always, always. So this is my way of stretching. I like to do the band effect. It's very comfortable, it's very easy, and yeah, it stretches my curls very, very good, and everything is all uniformed and in good condition when I take it out the next morning. So of course you guys know I'm about to slap that silk scarf on, protect those strands, and I'm going to get ready to take it down for the night. So I am back, and now I am going to do this takedown for you guys, let you see how it turned out. I'm hoping it turns out well. I hope you guys like it. I am going to stop rambling now and let this video play on. I have some photos for you guys at the end, and I hope you enjoyed the content that I put out today, and I will see you guys next time.